Hi guys, it's Kira from Plaid, and today we're opening up a Bucilla felt stocking kit. I'm so excited to show you everything that comes in your kit once you have it and before you're ready to start stitching. Bucilla has been around for over 150 years, and it's such a great way to make this keepsake memory. It's such a special time of year when you hang your stockings and decorate, and what a great addition to your home and your family for everybody to have their personalized stocking. So I'm really excited, and we're gonna dig into a kit and show you everything that you get. So again, I'm showing you a felt stocking. So this is gonna have all the pieces and parts to put your stocking together. So I'm gonna go ahead and open this. So I'm going to pull out everything that it comes with. So to start, we have a great color photo of our project. So this is great to have on hand as you begin to make your project so you can reference what your finished piece is going to look like. And then on the back, we have our color key. So make sure when you open your package that you don't toss this. You want to hold on to this. Then we have a piece of chipboard, and this is actually great because some of the projects call for poster board or cardboard, so I would hold on to this as you make your stocking so you could use this as you're stitching. So here's your instruction sheet, which has your step-by-step instructions and also an alphabet for personalization. And we also have our design chart. So our design chart is going to give you also step-by-step instructions and show you where to put your pieces. And we have our felt, and this is what really sets Bucilla apart and makes it so easy and fun to create. All our felt is pre-stamped. So as you can see, it's already stamped and it's taken a lot of that work out for you. You also have all your part numbers are on here. So again, by using your instructions, you can easily follow along and stitch your pieces together. So all these beautiful colors of felt, and again, this is really a great one to see on the white. Everything is pre-stamped, so that is a great advantage. Then here's all the little goodies here. This is the fun part to open. So all these little pieces come in a separate bag. Keep them separated for you. And here we go. So this is your floss. So this is all the colors of floss that you're going to need to go ahead and complete your project. It also comes with 2 needles. We have an applique needle and a beading needle. And again, on your instructions, it's going to reference which one to use. And then we have our sequins and beads. And another advantage to Bucilla, along with the felt already being pre-stamped, is that the sequins and the beads come separated for you. So there's no opening a giant bag and everything's mixed together and you have to take the time to separate them out. We already do the work for you, which makes it so simple. All this beautiful shiny sequins is already separated out by color for you. And also the beads are separated. So that makes it super simple. I hope you've enjoyed checking out everything that comes in your Bucilla stocking kit. I'm so excited for you to get stitching and creating memories of your own. To see our full line of Bucilla products, go to plaidonline.com.